Hello everyone, myself Tulsi Pawar, Assistant Professor in Physics, SPC गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। आज हम एमएससी तृतीय सेम के अंतर्गत स्टैटिस्टिकल मैकेनिक्स का अध्ययन करने जा रहे हैं। स्टैटिस्टिकल मैकेनिक्स इज द ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स दैट combines the principles and procedures of statistics with the law of the classical and quantum mechanics, particularly with respect to the field of thermodynamics. It aims to predict and explain the measurable properties of macroscopic system on the basis of the properties and behavior of the microscopic constituents of those systems. Statistical mechanics interprets, for example, thermal energy as the energy of atomic particles in disordered states and temperature as a quantitative measure of how energy is shared among such particles. Statistical mechanics draws heavily on the laws of probability, so that it does not concentrate on the behavior of every individual particle in a macroscopic substance, but on the average behavior of a large number of particles of the same kind. Ordinarily, mechanics only considers the behavior of a single state. Statistical mechanics introduce the statistical ensemble, which is a large collection of virtual independent copies of the system in various states. The statistical ensemble is a probability distribution over all possible states of the system. As in usual, for probabilities, the ensemble can be interpreted in different ways. As a system is defined by the collection of large number of particles, so the ensemble can be defined as a collection of large number of microscopically identical but independent systems. An ensemble can be taken to represent the various possible states that a single system could be in. The numbers of the ensemble can be understood as the states of the system in experiments repeated on independent systems which have been prepared in a similar but imperfectly controlled manner in the limit of an infinite number of trials. Three important thermodynamic ensembles were defined by Gibbs. First is microcanonical ensemble or NVE ensemble. What is NVE ensemble? A statistical ensemble where the total energy of the system and the number of particles in the system are fixed to particular value. The system must remain totally isolated, means unable to exchange energy or particles with its environment in order to stay in statistical equilibrium. It is the collection of large number of essentially independent systems having same energy E, volume V and total number of particles N. The system of a microcanonical ensemble are separated by rigid, impermeable and insulated walls, such that the values of E, V and N are not affected by the mutual pressure of other system. Here all the borders are impermeable and insulated. In this system, E, V, N are same. Second is canonical ensemble or NVT ensemble, a statistical ensemble where the energy is not known exactly but the number of particles is fixed. In place of energy, the temperature is specified. The canonical ensemble is appropriated for describing a closed system which is in weak contact with a heat bath. In order to be in statistical equilibrium, the system must remain totally closed. It means unable to exchange particles with the environment and may come into weak thermal contact with other systems that are described by assemble with the same temperature. Next property, it is the collection of a large number of essentially independent systems having the same value of V, T and N. In this assemble, the systems are separated by rigid, impermeable but conducting walls. The outer walls of the assemble are perfectly insulated and impermeable though. Figure show this system. Here the border in bold shade are both insulated and impermeable, while the border in the light shade are conducting and impermeable. Third, grand canonical assemble or mu-VT assemble. A statical assemble where neither the energy nor the particle number are fixed. In their place, the temperature and chemical potential are specified. It is appropriate for describing an open system. It is the collection of a large number of essentially independent systems having the same temperature T, volume V and chemical potential mu. The system of a good canonical assemble are separated by tight, permeable and conducting holes. Here inner border are rigid, permeable and conducting, while outer border are impermeable and as well as insulated. Another definition for chemical potential mu, it is the energy that can be observed or released due to change of particle number of the given species. Example, in a chemical reaction or phase transition, particles try to move from higher chemical potential to lower. In this way, chemical potential is a generalization of potentials in physics such as gravitational potential. When a ball rolls down a hill, it is moving from a higher gravitation potential to a lower gravitation potential. In the same way as molecules move, melt, etc., will always tend naturally to go from a higher chemical potential to lower one, changing the particle number.